I'm going to show you how to make drop-down lists in Microsoft Excel, just like these. I'm also going to show you how to change the color of the cell based on what you choose in that drop-down list. So for instance, if I change this to good, the cell's going to change from yellow to green. Let's do that again. I'm going to change this to bad, and the cell is now red. Now I can see this being super useful in a lot of work situations. Okay, so let's get right to it. So first off, you need to decide what you're going to have in your drop-down list. So I'm just going to make 3 choices. So I'm going to have on schedule, waiting, and action needed. So these are the choices that you're going to have in your drop-down list. And then I'm just going to list up something like IT project A1 rather, and let's copy that. So we have IT project 1, 2, and 3. And let's say I want to have a drop-down menu next to these right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to go up to data, and then you're going to choose data validation. Now, if you don't find data validation in the menu, you can do a search up here for data validation. There you go. So choose that and choose list. So I'm going to choose a source for my list by clicking this one and choosing these 3. And click OK. So now I have a simple drop-down menu in this cell, and I can choose between these 3. Now you can copy this like that, and now I have a drop-down menu on IT project 1, 2, and 3. So this can be on schedule, this can be waiting, and this can be on action needed. Okay, so that's how you make a drop-down list, but let's just make it a little bit more interesting. Let's just add some color. So go to Home and click on Conditional Formatting. So we're going to do that, and then just make a new rule. And from this menu, choose Format Only Cells That Contain, and then choose Specific Text. So we're only going to color this cell if it contains a specific text. So let's say on schedule, and then click on Format, and then choose a color. Now I'm going to choose just a sort of a light green color like this, and OK. So now whenever I choose on schedule, it's going to turn green, but if I choose waiting, it's not going to have any color. So let's do something about that. So let's go back to conditional formatting again, and then manage rules, and I'm going to duplicate this previous rule. There we go. And then I'm going to edit that rule, and then I'm going to say waiting and choose a different color. So I'm going to choose a light yellow color for that one, and then OK. And let's make one for action needed as well. It's going to be red. So again, I'm just going to duplicate this rule. I'm going to edit this rule, and I'm going to edit the text as well. So it's going to be action needed, and click on Format and change the color to a red color. Now I don't particularly like this red color, so I'm going to change it. More colors, custom, make it a little bit lighter. There we go, that's better. And then OK. So now we have 3 colors. Let's check them out. Waiting is yellow. Action needed is red. And you can copy those by dragging them like this. And that's it. So waiting and on schedule. If you're getting value out of this video, please consider hitting the thumbs up button. And I'm also gonna add another video up here somewhere with Microsoft Teams tips and tricks. So check that one out.